Hello everybody, it's Rich 220. I'm going to make this quick. So it's going to be like a short. The head is off on the driver's side. And just like I thought, the number one piston is all the way up. Got a lot of cleaning to do in there, but it is completely up. I didn't record it because I've been having a little bit of a struggle with it. And I still got to drop the oil pan and put an oil pan gasket on there and put new oil in it. But as you can see, it's off. There's the head gasket right there. There's the one from the passenger side. There's the valve cover. I went out and bought myself 3 torque wrenches. And I bought swivel ends extensions. So that way it's a little bit easier for me to get them off and get them back on. On this side, I did have to take the exhaust manifold off because there would be no way to get to the bolts for the outside of the head or the lower half of the head. But in any event, she's off. Now the cleaning begins and then a new head gasket goes on. As you can see, all the other pistons are actually flat tops. They are not replaced with valve release. But as you can see, there's very little problems with any of the valves at all, except for the last one that's got an antifreeze in it, which I got to clean out. So that's what the problem was. Apparently it was leaking at the end, and maybe it wasn't torqued down 72 foot-pounds like it should have been. But no big deal. We'll get it right this time. No problem. People make mistakes, folks. We're all human. Don't forget that. All right, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And ring the bell for post notifications.